If you ever watched an indicator work perfectly, then fail you right after you trusted it, this video matters to you. Because the problem usually isn't the indicator, it's the silent assumption you're making when you use it. And that assumption is costing you trades. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to turn simple free indicators into a complete trading system, one that tells you when to trade, when to stay out, and when do nothing is the smartest move. No prediction, no guessing, no hoping the market behaves. Let's start with this gold 1 hour chart. Now, pause for a second and really look at this. If you're ever traded without a clear trend filter, this is where things usually go wrong. You see this channel around price with a line running straight through the middle. This line decides whether you make your life easier or fight the market all day. Because the moment you ignore it, you start taking trades you never should have touched. Here's how it works. When the price is holding above this midline, buyers are in control. And if you're trying to sell here, you're literally stepping in front of traffic. This line isn't here to give you entries. It's here to stop you from making bad decisions. Think of it like a border. Above it, you only think about buying. Below it, you only think about selling. The second you're below this rule, you invite confusion. And confusion is expensive. Now flip the picture. When price stays below this line, sellers are in control. Every move up looks tempting and most of them are traps. This is where traders convince themselves maybe this is the reversal. And that's how trades drain accounts slowly instead of all at once. But here's the danger most people miss. This channel works great in trends. It does nothing to protect you when the market goes flat, and ranging markets are where most traders quietly bleed. Watch what happens here. Price crosses above the line, then below it, and then back again. No commitment, no follow through, just false confidence. So, if you trade this with trend alone, you overtrade, you get chopped up, and you start forcing setups. That's why you need a second filter, not to add complexity, but to say no more often. Down here is a momentum oscillator, and this is where most traders mess it up. They see green, they buy. They see red, they sell. And then they wonder why momentum stopped working, because momentum exits on spectrum, and weak momentum is useless. These two horizontal lines fix that problem. They force you to answer a hard question before every trade. Is this move strong enough to care? When the bars are green but stuck near the middle, momentum is weak. That's the market teasing you. When those green bars push clearly above this upper line, something changes. Buyers aren't just present anymore, they're aggressive. That's the difference between a move that stalls and one that actually goes. Same on the downside. Red bars barely below the center, noise. Red bars pushing hard below the lower line. Now, sellers are serious. Now let's put this together, because rules only matter if you actually follow them. First rule, you're not here to predict anything. Prediction creates emotion. Emotion creates mistakes. Structure keeps you disciplined. So, look at this chart again. Price is above the midline. That instantly removes half of your bad decisions. You're not selling, not just this once, not because price looks high. You wait. You let price pull back toward the midline. This is where most traders get impatient and click too early. Don't. You wait for momentum to prove itself. You look at the oscillator and you wait for 2 to 3 green bars pushing clearly above the upper line. Not one, not a weak poke. This is the market saying buyers are back. That's your entry. Now risk, because this is where accounts survive or die. You never risk more than 1%, ever. Your stop goes at the middle or the most recent swing low. If price breaks that level, you're wrong, and being wrong quickly is a skill. Your target is 1.5 times your risk. That way, you don't need to win every trade to grow. Sell trades are the same logic. Flip below the midline, you only sell. Pull back toward the line, wait. Red momentum pushing clearly below the lower level 2 to 3 bars. A stop above the midline or swing high. Target 1.5 R. Now, here's the part that actually gives you an edge. It's not the indicators, it's how people misuse them. This channel is the Donchian channel. For its settings, set the length to 100, not default. That filters noise and forces you to respect real structure. The oscillator is the awesome oscillator. In the settings, set it to columns. And those lines at plus 20 and minus 20, they separate trades worth taking from trades that drain you slowly. That's the whole system. Simple, rule-based, and brutally honest. So if this helped you stop forcing trades and start trading with a structure, hit like. And if you want more strategies built exactly like this, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Happy trading.